Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today, I'm going to demonstrate one of my favorite meals to cook, the curry chicken. You heard what I said? Yes, the curry chicken, okay? That's my style of cooking it. But if you look at my last couple of videos I did how to break down a chicken, you will see how to do that to get so many pieces out of it, which is about roughly 10 pieces, okay? But I need, for my curry chicken, I need to cut this a little bit more smaller. So let's start with a smaller one first. So we have the wings here. So I'm gonna cut that into two, okay? Right. So you see, here we are at the board with some aromatics pantry. If you have onion, it's fine, you could use that. But I am using the shallot, okay? So we can peel it. Now we peel our shallot, we just cut it up, okay? So just, see, I'm not gonna give you all the fancy stuff of, I'm not gonna do that. This is a learning channel, okay? The reason why these chef knives are so big is to do what I'm doing here. See, to pick it up with it. But if you're not comfortable with that, just do this, it's okay. So I'm using garlic, okay? See, just to open it quickly, okay? You take off the outer shell there. So when you have this now, all you have to do, remove your hands, as I say, and just chop it up like that. Okay? Right? Or you can do that if you're comfortable, right? Pick up, put it in there. Okay? Now, ginger. Make sure you wash your ginger. It can full of dirt, some of them, right? What you want to do with the ginger, love it in my curry. You could either use a grater and grate it into it, but I leave it big because it's just going to be stewing down. So I'm gonna have enough time to extract the flavor from it. So I leave it big so I could take it out also, okay? Okay? And then, you could call this a secret ingredient, but I'm using rosemary because I love it. That's why I'm using it, okay? It gives us a different flavor. The only way you will know that, you have to try it, okay? So we put that in there just as it. Hold on. The star of the show, curry powder. Now, I'm not saying you have to use Jamaican curry powder. I'm just saying you have to use it. If you want to taste like what I'm on, you have to use it. Use any other curry, that's on you. But I'm just showing you. I'm using what I'm accustomed to, what I know have flavor. Okay? Now we're going to put some on this beautiful bird here. Okay? I wanna make this one of my kids gonna eat any of this curry. And my wife gonna say no. But you know what happened? She's never hungry enough. That's why she said that. So right, I'm going to put a bit of hot sauce. So this is one of the hot sauce I like. Packed tons of flavor in it, okay? So when I don't make my own with my Scotch bonnet, I like to use this one here. It's fantastic, okay? I have some jerk marinade that I had. This is my secret ingredient. The only thing you see I didn't put here is salt. And I'm not going to put a salt till tomorrow. So I'm going to let this here. I'm going to marinate the syrup now. Get all your gloves. We massage this meat in there nicely. Getting all those flavor in. Then, tomorrow when we start the process of cooking this rosemary here is going to break down. But in the meanwhile, it's going to start leaching some of that, aromatics flavors into it, okay? So for now, I'm gonna let the sear set. I'm gonna cover the plastic nice and tight, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. The bottom part of your fridge, please. Don't put it over where all your fruits and vegetables is. It's chicken. You gotta be careful with chicken. Chicken is a weird thing, It is a meat that you enjoy, but it could still poison you. So you have to make sure you take care. Store this raw chicken in the bottom shelf of your fridge. Remember, I say that. Okay. So here, I'm gonna cover this. So first layer, I put a plastic down in it. And there you go. You have your meal prep here started. So tomorrow, I'm gonna finish cooking this and show you the end result. And then you could serve this with rice, white rice, brown rice, whatever rice you wanna cook, or maybe grain like quinoa or a bulgur wheat.